Welcome to Odoo Subscriptions, an application that lets you sell recurring revenue products. We want to sell online classes that teach people about interior design. Let's start by creating a product to sell, an online interior design class. As long as the product is marked as recurring, Odoo knows it's a subscription product. In time-based pricing, we can set the price options for our online class. We can set up any kind of recurrence we want, weekly, monthly, every 2 months, and even set different prices for customers on different price lists. Great! Now our product is ready to sell. We have a customer, Sarah, who has already spoken to our sales team and is ready to subscribe to our online class. Let's create a new quotation and send it to her. From my dashboard, I'll just click New and fill out the customer's information. Then I'll add a product to the order lines, our beginner interior design class. Next, I'll add a recurrence to specify how often the customer is paying for this product. Sarah indicated that she wants a monthly class, and since she's on our VIP price list, she'll get a special price. Sarah would also like online worksheets to use during the class. I'll organize these line items into sections to make it a little prettier. And I'll add a small note at the bottom because a little friendliness goes a long way. Our customers often want some technical support while they take this class, but I'm not sure if Sarah does. Let's add technical support as an optional product so she can decide if she wants it. All right, that looks pretty good. We can send it off to the customer right from Odoo. We'll just click Send by email, customize the message, and voila! Now that our customer has the quote, let's see what it looks like from her end. Here's the quote we sent. Sarah can add optional products directly to her quote if she wants to. She could download or print the PDF version. And when she's ready, she can add a payment method and Odoo will automatically charge her card when the class starts. The customer portal is a big hit with customers since it cuts down on the back and forth of sales negotiations. They can do everything they want right from here. Plus, it works just as well on a mobile device. Okay, now that Sarah is subscribed to our online classes, Odoo manages her subscription through automatic recurring charges. While she's taking the class, we'll check in on her satisfaction level by sending out an automatic satisfaction survey after the first month. Next, we want to be sure to follow up with any customers who are not satisfied, so let's set up an automatic alert to remind our sales team to take action on less satisfied clients after 1 month. This will be great for customer retention. In fact, our retention rate is really high. It looks like most customers are satisfied with our services. Since we've had happy subscribers for several months now is the perfect time to upsell. Our salespeople know exactly which products our current customers will love. Michael would like to purchase this interior design software to help him visualize his designs. Let's add it to his existing subscription, simply by clicking Upsell and adding it to the order lines. Once the upsell is confirmed, the recurring sales order automatically updates to show all of the products Michael is purchasing from us this pay period. We can sell recurring and non-recurring products on the same sales order, since Odoo sales and subscriptions are perfectly integrated. We can also check the MRR button to see how the monthly recurring revenue from Michael has changed over time. But what's even more useful is analyzing the monthly recurring revenue of our subscription services as a whole. Odoo's reporting feature has that data already built in, and as we can see, some months are more profitable than others. These are the main months that we advertise our online classes, so it seems like our ads are working. We can even check individual subscription orders to see which ad campaign they come from. It looks like Michael found us through our recent mass mail campaign. Good to know. This marketing data is collected and integrated with the Odoo CRM app. Our employees use Odoo's many integrations to manage subscriptions as part of their larger workflow. They use the CRM app to track the sources of our customers, such as from search engines, social media, and email marketing, and to manage prospective customers from both one-time sales and subscriptions. Invoices and payments are automatically synced to the accounting app, keeping our ledgers clean and updated with no extra work for our accounting department. And every department uses the Projects app to organize tasks into manageable cross-functional projects. Odoo Subscriptions truly enables us to manage our business in a way that keeps employees and customers happy. Odoo, because amazing employees deserve amazing software.